Hey, so I'm at a car meet right now. It's like a fundraiser. You bring toys to donate to children for Christmas, and it's really cool. Cleaning their whips. Hi, Zena.
I know it's not a good couple.
I just got back from the toy run, which was that car meet, and it was pretty cool. There was some cool cars to look at, and of course it's always entertaining to ride with Jay in his car. Now Haley and Henry are over again. We're finishing up watching the Seahawks game, and they're winning, of course. And eating some chips and cookies and stuff like that. And I look really tired because I was sleeping in the car for like a really long time. Hi, Pearl. Oh, my derm! One of you guys said that I need to stop filming myself eating and dancing around because my vlogs suck, so...
She's gonna dance and eat.
So here, this is for you.